sorpresa namin sa'yo and sa ating lahat na nandito. Kaya naman, tawagin na rin natin, of course, ang family ni Heath dito sa stage.
Hi guys!
Tita Jem, of course, Daddy Michael, Heather, and Hannah. Of course, andito ang lahat ng family mo para supportahan ka ngayong gabing ito. Tayo, bati na po tayo. Good evening. Of course, if you meron po tayong message kay Heath at sa gabing ito, please.
Nag-lol eh. Gumawa na lang po ako kasi baka makalimutan. Or, actually, kanina pa ako naiyak doon kasi sobrang touching po lahat ng yung video, yung support nyo kay Heath. Thank you so much everyone. To Heath, babasahin ko na lang. So, Moy, unang-una, I'm so proud of you. So, bilang mama mo ay syempre umaapaw yung happiness ko sa puso because this was just a dream. Diba? Yeah. So, my message to you is always be humble and honor God. So, saan ka ba?
Okay, ma.
Saan ka man dalhin ng pangarap mo? Lagi ka lang babalik sa Kanya, kay God. So, sa lakbay ng buhay ay ito, napakasaya. Meron ding bumps in the road. May times na madadapa, pasusugatan, sasaktan tayo, but Jesus' words is the lamp to your feet and the light to your path. So, He's with you all the way. So, congrats anak. I love you.
Love you, ma.
Love you. Thank you po. Hi, Moy. Ito pala nakikita mo the whole night. Ang daming tao na sumusuporta sa'yo. And I'm sure marami pang wala dito na pinapanood ka din. And gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo and to the fans as well na thank you for enjoying or loving Heath, the little brother I had growing up, and for having as much fun as me seeing him grow inside the house and inside our house. So thank you. I'm so proud of you.
Don't cry. Love you. Hi, Mike.
Kuya, so ang daming tao, ang daming. I'm very proud of you because you're doing best and you're so sweet and malambing and also makulit inside and outside. I'm so proud of you and I hope you keep doing great. I'm trying not to cry this whole time kasi and we'll always love you. Don't forget to read the Bible every day. And always pray to God.
Thank you, Mama. I love you. Ang cute mo. Love you, man.
Boy, congratulations. What a wonderful night. What a successful night. And I would like to thank everyone for coming. We appreciate everything na lahat na supportan niyo kay Heath. And alam niyo yung letters, each and every letter, we read it. And natatouch talaga kami sa mga sinasabi niyo kay Heath and sa support niyo. So, thank you so much. And everything na nangyari dito, to God be the glory. I would like to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for all the blessings and sa lahat sa inyo, support at kay Heath. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the night and maraming salamat po. Thank you. Love you much.
Best dad ever.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
Ito po. At syempre, bago po tayo bumana sa group photo po muna kasama, of course. 1, 2, 3.
Iluha tuloy tayo lahat sa
Material po yan. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you for so much sa Journalist Family. Palakpakan naman natin.
Love you guys.
Grabe, again, maraming salamat. And of course, sila ang naging inspirasyon and of course, motivation ni Heath. Kaya naman, he keeps doing the best sa kanyang journey dito sa showbiz. Kaya naman, Heath, kung meron ka pang gustong pasalamatan, go ahead, please.
I want to thank so many people po sa opportunity na binigay nila sa akin. All the gifts, all the praise, everything po. I just want to thank you guys all so much, the fans. And maraming salamat rin po sa ABS-CBN and kay Sir Mark Lopez, Sir Carlo, Katigbak, Ma'am Cory Vidales, and my ABS-CBN music family, and Sir Roxy Likigan, and Sir Jonathan Manalo, and my Star Pop family, and Sir Rock Santos and team. My GMA Sparkle, my GMA and GMA Sparkle family, maraming salamat po. Ma'am Annette Gozon Valdez, Miss Joy Marcelo, Boss Vic Del Rosario, Gerald Chang, XHY Entertainment Production Manager, Ate Nina, Dimalig, Head Writer, Kuya Joe Mariap, Direct J. Cleo, and the entire production team. Maraming salamat po sa support na binigay niyo po and made this possible. And to ABS-CBN Music Promo and Marketing Fans, Garcia and team. Loris Diaz and team, William Garcia and team, to my clan team, Rodel Brinias, Tasia Falek, Dale Malari. And
Yes! Again, maraming salamat sa mga pasalamatan ni Heath. And of course, Heath, eto na guys, before we wrap up this amazing FanCon, of course, Heath, a special announcement to make! Grabe, syempre, Heath has been giving us music, stories, laughter, and so much love tonight. Pero hindi pa natatapos ang gabing ito dahil merong special announcement si Heath para sa ating lahat. Go ahead.
yes po, thank you everyone, and I'm excited to share with this I'm excited to share this with you tonight, guys. Na I'm officially the newest Star Pop artist. Let's go. And to make this moment extra special tonight, to make this night even more special, tonight is FanCon, I'm performing my official single debut, Back to You. Let's go, guys. Streaming platforms, the main and acoustic version, kaya thank you guys so much. And, guys, alam niyo ba, yung dalawang versions po sa iTunes PH Top 2? Yo, that's crazy! Yeah, you guys are amazing, thank you so much for the support. And guys, wanna hear another surprise? Parang ayun yun. I have another big surprise for you guys right here tonight. A bigger wave is coming, and I'm feeling so blessed. Please watch this.